Good afternoon and welcome to 37258 Elkhorn Canyon Road in Del Norte, Colorado. I wanted to give you an on-the-ground tour of this property. Please check the comments for a link to the drone video if you want to see it from the air. But this is an on-the-ground tour. And this is not just a video tour with a bunch of scrolling pictures. I'm going to take you through the home as if you were standing here with me, as if we were showing it. So this little cabin here, it's a log cabin, 520 square feet, and there is a loft upstairs. And then there's a sidewalk down here to our bathhouse. And then there is a large insulated shed, or shop rather, with electric. And then back behind there is a hoop greenhouse. So this is an excellent property for anyone who loves to grow things, whatever that might be. Maybe you're into vegetables. Great place to grow vegetables. If you put new covering on the greenhouse, you can pretty much grow year round. But there are some four-season growing spaces as well, and I'm going to show you that. This property is grid connected, barely. We are kind of at the end of the line. Your electric comes in here, and I believe there is one house further up the canyon that is on the electrical grid. After that, everything is off grid. So it's very remote. The electric is underground over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's about 20 minutes from the town of Del Norte. I've been here about an hour and there has been no one pass on Elkhorn Canyon Road. So very remote, very quiet. It sits on 35 acres. Right here we also have, that's a landline phone if you need it. You'll need Starlink for your internet. We have a great well and septic. Link to the well permit is in the comments. So in the comments section, you'll find a link to my blog, and that blog gives you the price, links to the well permits, community covenants, and all of that stuff. So head there after you watch the video to get all of the pertinent details. So this is just a really fun cabin. It's small. And it's rustic, but it's well finished, it's clean, and it's comfortable. You can move right in. This sunroom here is a great place to grow year round. It's facing south. It's June 4th today, and I would say it's 80 degrees in here, but I just got here too, and I just opened up the doors and windows. So you can, there's a crank that goes here. You can open up this skylight to get some air in here, some airflow, if you want to. And then here is the main part of the cabin. We have a wood burning stove. We also have a propane heater with a thermostat, so it should be able to qualify for traditional financing. The electrical has been recently updated. You have a propane stove, sink with a small water heater, and your refrigerator freezer. Again, it's on grid, so you don't have to worry about batteries or solar, although it feels very much like an off-grid property. So I am going to attempt to climb these while holding a camera. If no one ever hears from me again, I'm probably, probably didn't happen. Here is the loft bedroom, and then there's some storage up there. The beams and timbers are just really cool. It's a very artistic cabin, very solid. All right, I'm actually going to pause while I go down the stairs because, yeah, I'm not that confident. Hold on a sec. Okay, I lived. Hooray. Sorry about that. Okay, I am going to go ahead and step out here and then show you the rest. We've got a great porch here. You know, it's not finished off with railings or anything. I suppose you could if you wanted to. If you're worried about things being up to code as far as safety railings and whatnot, I don't know that this is the cabin for you, because those stairs are definitely not going to qualify, but it's solid. You know, if you want railings, you can certainly put them in, but they are not in as of yet. So the property goes all the way up the hill back over this way, and back in there, there's some great boulder fields if you like to hike or scramble. There's a lot of great boulder fields to play around in back in there. And then it goes down, oh, about to here or so on this side, out to the road in that direction. I am gonna now take you down the sidewalk, and we're gonna go look at the bathhouse. So there is water to the kitchen, but there is no bathroom in the little cabin. We are out here at the bathhouse for all of those activities. And it's pretty clean and cool too. It's a neat setup. Very artistic again. Sorry about the wind, it just came up. This right there is sealed. It just needs a little bit more stucco on it. It's fine. So we walk into the toilet and sink. You might want a curtain or two, but that's up to you. It's not like there's anybody out here to see you. We have a small propane heater. French doors. In here you have a washer. There's no dryer, but you know, you can line dry if you want. Propane water heater, filter system. This thin little door here leads us into the shower. Nice walk-in shower with big open windows. And a wet room here with great sunlight, great for growing your vegetables, whatever you like. For those who don't know me, my name's Dee. Hello. All right, this is the bathhouse. Now we'll go into the shop. The shop's pretty cool. And all the specs for this are in my blog as well, as far as the dimensions. Your main propane tank is right over here, and you own that. It's not leased. You can have whomever you like fill it. Okay, and we'll give the camera a second to adjust to the light. So this is fully insulated. Ceiling, walls, concrete floor. We have a storage room with storage above it, back here. There's nothing really in here. It's kind of hard to see, but again, the exterior walls are insulated. This part is partitioned off. Absolutely could put in a garage door there if you wanted to get vehicles in here. And we have a new electric box here. He brought in 50 amp power. So if you have a welder or grow lights or whatever, I think he said it was 50. It doesn't look like 50, but he brought in big power and put in a new box. We can get the details on that. Okay. And then back out here, we are going to walk over to the hoop greenhouse. Again, this is set up to grow. He was growing marijuana here. This is Colorado, after all, on a commercial basis. Everything's been cleaned out, but you have really good soil. This soil has been specifically formulated and brought in to grow quality vegetables, quality plants. So all of that's kind of been left. There's really good soil in these rounds. And then finally, all the way back out the end here, we have our well. Again, link to the well permit is in my blog, and the link to the blog is in the comments. I don't have a price listed here on purpose. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Because, you know, real estate prices change. So I don't want to, you know, create a new video if the prices change. So I just have it linked below. And then if you've got folks who want to come in and stay in an RV or whatnot, there's a dugout flattened area up here already as well. It's kind of hard to see today because it's a little hazy, but there are some incredible mountain views here. I'll get beyond the shop and try and show you. We're surrounded by Elkhorn Canyon on three sides, south, north, and west. But it is open down to the east, and that looks out across the entire San Luis Valley, which is the largest, highest mountain valley in the world. You won't find another valley anywhere that's bigger and higher. Okay. So out that direction, right in here, you can see the San Cristo Mountains. That right there is Mount Blanca. And I believe we counted 11 14ers. So you can see 11 peaks from here that are over 14,000 feet tall. We're about an hour from the Great Sand Dunes National Park. About 2.5 hours from Santa Fe. 3 hours from Mesa Verde National Park. 3 hours from Great Sand Dunes. Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. We're about an hour from Alamosa, an hour from Creed, and an hour from Wolf Creek Ski Area, which is the home of the most snow in Colorado, year after year after year. About 20 minutes this direction is Penitente Canyon, which has some of the best rock climbing routes in the world. We're about 20 minutes from the Rio Grande River for fishing or rafting, or Del Norte has a great new kayak park. And there are roughly 500 miles of Jeep and ATV trails that surround this cabin. You can take off and go forever. You don't have to trailer up. You can ride out on your dirt bike, your ATV, your horse, your Jeep, and make it all the way to Creed if you want. Summitville, you can make it to Summitville without ever getting on a trailer. So again, this is the cabin at 37258 Elkhorn Canyon Road. And my name is Dee Plusinski. I'm a luxury home broker in in southern Colorado. I specialize in Del Norte, South Fork, and Creed. I also love fun off-grid properties, adventure properties like this. So if you're looking for something special, unique, give me a call. My number is 719-873-5605. And thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'm really glad I didn't fall down the stairs. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.